Goldson, critics worry that this will actually criminalize homelessness and just shuffle people around from one spot to the next without actually addressing the root cause of the crisis. But the county says the implementation of this ban will be slow and strategic. It's been called the Jewel of Sacramento. The American River Parkway gets millions of visitors each year, but now it's also home to an estimated 1,000 to 1,500 people camping there, according to county park rangers, raising concerns over public health hazards and fire danger. Some of the reasons cited for Sacramento County's controversial new ban on camping in the parkway.
This is doomed to fail.
As executive director of the Sacramento Regional Coalition to End Homelessness, Bob Erlenbush urged county supervisors against it.
And I asked them specifically, where are the services? Where's the housing? In other words, where are these people supposed to go? Didn't get any answer from them. They passed an ordinance that continues to criminalize people, and it's ultimately counterproductive.
The ordinance goes into effect in 1 month. We talked to Eric Jones with Sacramento County about what the implementation will look like.
This ordinance will be a slow rollout. I would say the public can expect there won't be any just wide-scale sweeps.
He says that's because the goal is to make sure people being moved from here have somewhere else to go.
We understand there are not enough beds and shelters and housing. So that is why there will be a very strategic and smaller approach to the highest fire hazards, the highest public health hazards. Just those locations of the parkway need to be addressed first.
A violation would be a misdemeanor, but Jones says a citation or an arrest will be rare.
This is a tool just if we get to that point where an individual or group absolutely refuses to relocate or go to another location. This gives a tool to use as a last resort.
But Erlenbush doesn't buy it.
Once you pass this ordinance, it gives the law enforcement, mainly the park rangers, a blank check to go in and move people off the American River Parkway. So if they didn't mean it, then why pass it?
The county says when it identifies an area it does plan to clear out, they will give at least 2 days of advanced notice beforehand and then another warning before moving ahead with that cleanup. Live in Sacramento, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.